Speak sponsored by RxCardClub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 85% on prescription drugs. RxCardClub.com. We asked doctors if ear seeding actually eases stress and muscle pain. Here's the verdict. Break key takeaways. Ear seeding is believed to relieve anxiety, pain, and headaches by stimulating pressure points on the ear. Improper use of at-home ear seeding kits can cause irritation, dizziness, or allergic reactions. Experts recommend professional guidance for correct placement since accuracy affects both safety and effectiveness. Break ear seeding, an acupressure technique used in traditional Chinese medicine, is used to alleviate anxiety, headaches, and pain. This practice has recently gained popularity among wellness influencers and social media content creators. Break. During this treatment, small seeds, beads, or magnets are taped to the ear's pressure points, which correspond to specific areas in the body. We asked doctors whether ear seeding is really effective for stress and pain relief, and they generally agreed that it works if it's done correctly. Break. How does ear seeding work? Break. Typically, seeds from Vaccaria plants are taped to specific and number 156 acupoints and number 157 on the outer ear, which are then pressed or massaged a few times per day. Break. Ear seeding helps release endorphins, natural feel-good hormones that relieve pain and stress. It may also treat musculoskeletal pain and nervous system disorders. Break. From an Eastern medicine point of view, the whole body is mapped out on the ear, and certain parts of the ear will map out to certain things. For example, if you have knee pain, you want to stimulate the knee point on your ear. Homan Donesh, MD, Professor and Medical Director of the Department of Anesthesiology, Perioperative and AMP, Pain Medicine at the Icahn School of Medicine at Mount Sinai, told Very Well. Break. The US military uses a version of ear seeding, called battlefield auricular acupressure, BAA, for pain relief. Research suggests that ear acupressure can stimulate the vagus nerve, helping to slow the heart rate and regulate blood pressure. Break. And number 156, it's extremely powerful and very effective, if done properly, and number 157, said Ankit Sharma, MD, MHA, an Orlando-based family and integrative medicine physician and member of the board of directors at the Auriculotherapy Certification Institute. Break. Related stories. Tramadol versus hydrocodone. How long after taking less than /speak Tylenol can you drink alcohol? Can you do ear seeding at home? Break. While you can buy ear seeding kits online, using them improperly can cause allergies, irritation, and dizziness. If the seeds are placed in the wrong spots, you might not get the expected benefits, Sharma said. Break. I've done this for over 6 years now, and it takes me some time to find the points. You can't just say it's roughly in this area and stick it on, he added. Break. Once ear seeds are properly placed, they are typically worn for 3 to 5 days. Wait 3 days, then reapply for another round of 3 days if it feels like your symptoms are moving in the right direction. Celia Hildebrand, DAM, LAC, a contributing faculty member at the Andrew Weil Center for Integrative Medicine and president of Polaris Medical Institute of East-West Studies, told Very Well in an email. Break. Are ear seeds safe? Break. Pregnant people and anyone with an ear wound should not try ear seeding. Many people use ear seeds without issues, but the seeds or tape can cause discomfort, skin irritation, nausea, or dizziness. While rare, the seeds can sometimes come untaped and fall into the ear canal. Break. SMA patients have reported that when they sleep on the side with the ear seeds, the pressure that is put on the ear seed creates enough sensation to keep them from comfortably sleeping. K. Scott Phelps, DAM, LAC, inpatient acupuncture lead at the Susan Samuel I Integrative Health Institute at UCI Health, told Very Well in an email. Break. It's best to place the seeds on one ear at a time. If the ear becomes too sensitive, simply remove the ear seeds on your own. Phelps Ada, RxCardClub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 80% on prescription drugs. Less than /speak.